Hi, today we'll go over the 7-side skinfold measures. The 7 skinfold sides are the triceps, subscapular, mid-axillary, chest, abdominal, suprailiac, and thigh. You only need a caliper and a marker for this test. You want to make sure you take all the measurements on the right side of the body. First, we need to locate and mark the skinfold sides. For the triceps, you need to mark midway between the olecranon and acromion process. You can find the skinfold side of the subscapular by having the client move their arm towards their back. You want to place a mark 2 centimeters below the inferior angle of their scapula. The mid-axillary mark can be found at the point of the skinfold process of the sternum. The chest skinfold is different for women and men. For men, it's halfway between the nipple and the axillary line, and for women, it's 1/3. The suprailiac fold can be found anterior to the axillary line, immediately above the iliac crest. For the abdominal side, you just need to place your mark 2 centimeters to the right of the umbilicals. And for the thigh, you go midway between the proximal border of the patella and the inguinal crease. Here are the instructions to take the measurements. You have to make sure that the skin is dry and oil free. Do not take measurements right after exercise. Grasp skinfold with your thumb and index finger. Only grasp the subcutaneous fat and not the muscle. Pull skinfold away from the body. Hold the skinfold until you finish measuring. The caliper should have the dial facing up and the jaws need to be perpendicular to the fold. Release the caliper's pressure while maintaining the same position. Take measurement after 1 to 2 seconds. Record the measurement to the nearest 0.5 millimeters. Do not take consecutive measurements on same skinfold. Take at least 2 measurements on each side and then take the average. If the measurements have a higher difference than 2 millimeters, retest the side. Make sure you shake the skinfold to separate muscle from subcutaneous fat. The subscapular side is a diagonal fold. The mid-axillary is going to be a vertical fold. The chest fold will be a diagonal fold. The suprailiac side will be a diagonal fold. The abdominal side will be a vertical fold. And the thigh side will be a vertical fold as well. Once you take all the measurements, we have these formulas that will help you calculate the percentage fat. Make sure you use the correct formula for men and women. The Brozak equation and Seerer equation are the two most common equations for density regression.